Hi ARK friends, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today in 5 minutes or less, we'll try to cover May 13 trades. And in highlights today, we have Butterfly Network, which used to be LGBW SPAC, and it is backed by Bill Gates. And we have Skillz, we have Coinbase, the usual suspects that they keep on buying. These two have been in limelight since past more than a month now. And stay with me to find out how much they added and what did they sell to add to buy more shares of these companies. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much. Welcome back, guys. In our summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers and market value being one of them, and look at where it has reached 38.8 billion. This is the first time I'm seeing it go below 40 billion in past since the time I've been recording, pretty much. So this is really, really bad. It's getting in bad territory now. 38.8 billion, 3% down compared to yesterday. Number of companies they are maintaining. They added one company recently. I covered it in one of the past episodes. They added very small position though for that company. It's Snowflake data analytics company. 273 companies in total, and this is how the breakdown of all the various 8 funds looks like, and this is how many companies are present in each of these funds. Now, without wasting much time, let's go to biggest moves quickly. The threshold again we have today is 3%. So any companies in their portfolio which had shares added by 3% or reduced by 3% or more fit that criteria. These are the companies and that fit that criteria, and this is their rank in the 273 companies. So for example, One Life Healthcare, which has the biggest addition of shares today, is rank 98 in their portfolio. So they added some 1.1 million shares for this company, which made a difference of $31.5 million. So even though it's the biggest move by shares, it's not necessarily the biggest moves by market value. Biggest move by market value, it is a big move, but biggest move is UiPath actually. So we'll go over this one by one. And as I hover over these bar charts, you will see more information about those companies. So One Life Healthcare Inc. As you can see, the shares trend shot up. It's present in genomics. The stock price has gone down to $32.80, and they're buying the dip. Zimmergen, let's see, again present in genomics. They are buying the dip again of 26.4% extra shares, but not a, so it's second highest in terms of number of shares added, but that doesn't mean that market value wise it's the biggest move, right? So it's just 2.4 million. 908 Devices, again present in genomics. They bought the dip there as well. Butterfly Network, a SPAC company, originally known as LGBW, backed by Bill Gates. And they added 1.2 million shares, but look at the market value, very less, 0.1 million. So let's see, the stock price has gone down to $9.50. Wow. That's lower than where the SPAC actually started. SPAC started at $10. So it's in negative. Then we have UiPath, the only company present in all the ARK funds, all the 6 ARK funds, starting with ARK, that is. This is the only company I know of that is present in all 6 ETFs. Then they keep on buying more and more, and the stock price is $66.40. Their biggest move, $38.9 million, almost $40 million there. Too simple, 6% addition there. So I'm going to hover over these. Coinbase, present in 3 ETFs. They continue to buy. Look at that shares trend. Continue to buy more and more and more. Stock price trending downward again. It popped back up to 303, I think, but it's again back down to $265.10. So that's, even though they added shares, it's negative. Signify Health, again adding a little bit of shares there. Robo Group, adding more shares there. The stock price ticking back upward a little bit. Skillz, everybody's favorite. And the stock price continues to go down though, $13.70. They added more shares, almost 1 million more shares, made a difference of 7.8 million there. Unity Software, present in 3 ETFs, continue to buy more and more as the stock price continues to dip. And in terms of negative, let's see, they sold share of this company, but it's still positive. Let's see, Silvergate Capital, okay, because the stock price slightly ticking upwards, as you can see today, even though they continue to sell the position. Now, the biggest move by shares is Thermo Fisher Scientific, as you can see, but the biggest move by market value is this guy. This is Baidu. Yep, they continue to reduce it by big chunks. So every time we see they reduce big chunks of it. Now they reduce $64.6 million of it. So they are left with just 0.72 million shares of this company, and stock price continues to go down. And the second biggest move is Alibaba, present in 3 ETFs. They suddenly sold almost 30% shares, 27.9 actually, down to 0.43 million shares. The stock price continues to go down. And the third biggest is LendingTree. There, sold 50% of the shares, 53% shares sold, and the stock price continues to go down. Then next biggest is this guy, Regeneron. Again, continue to sell that. Synopsys, 10 million, sold 48,000 shares there. Then you have this guy, Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Then you have Novartis. I'm going by the market value, so I'm looking at which ones are the biggest bars, and I'm just hovering over those. Takeda, you have Roche, PayPal, Takeda, Adyen, Novartis, Pure Storage, Silvergate, Bristol, Yehika. You can pause the video to take a look at the trends if you are interested in a particular company. I'm just going to go over each one of them. Netflix, oh, okay, they bought a lot and then they sold some. Xerox, Intercontinental, HubSpot, Regeneron, Synopsys, Alibaba, Baidu, LendingTree, Workhorse. Also, they continue to reduce in big chunks. Faurecia, Fastly, CrowdStrike, Thermo Fisher. So that's biggest move by shares. Let's take a look at the biggest moves by market value. Most of these are covered above itself, but we can go over them quickly. UiPath, Life Healthcare, sorry. Intercontinental Exchange, DocuSign, JD, Regeneron, Twilio, which is ranking 8, negative today. Then you have C, Grayscale, Bitcoin going down. This is a company where they invest their Bitcoin money. Basically, they cannot invest in Bitcoin, so they invest here. Then you have Spotify, LendingTree, Alibaba, Shopify, Baidu, Square, Tesla, again going down to $571.70. Teladoc Health, which is the number 2 company in their stock, in their funds, going down further. They also trimming some of the position there. Now let's see how the overall stock looks. So today's minus 13. So this is how overall map looks. Very red. Tesla, ARK. There are some spots of green. UiPath continues to be the darkest green because they keep on buying more and more. Life Sciences, one Life Healthcare, yes, that was the biggest move in terms of shares and second biggest in terms of market value. Zoom, also positive. CRISPR, 10x Genomics, Roku, Unity. So some of these were not caught, but this is how overall looks. There was no new company added or no company removed, so that's empty. So that was your daily dose, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. It helps me immensely. Thank you. Take care.